Heat siphon high pressure switch changeout. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, 9/16 and 7/16 inch wrench, and needle nose pliers. Remove the 10 Phillips head door screws. Pull the stainless steel knob off or use a flathead screwdriver to remove the black plastic knob. Remove the high pressure switch's 2 black wires from the places where they connect to the heat siphon. And pull the high pressure switch up a little bit to gain access to the 2 hex fittings on the bottom. Put the 7/16 wrench on the lower hex and the 9/16 on the upper. Loosen in a counterclockwise direction and quickly remove the high pressure switch from the fitting. A small amount of discharge from that fitting is common. Simply wipe it clean. Place the high pressure sensor over the fitting and tighten in a clockwise direction. It's common to see some discharge from this port until it becomes tight. Use the wrenches to secure the sensor to the fitting. And wipe up any of the discharge. Next, straighten up the fitting in the compartment and connect the 2 black wires to the 2 terminals where they were removed from. One to the right side of the contactor and the other to the time delay. Order doesn't matter. Install the door using the 10 screws. Push on the stainless steel knob or screw on the black plastic knob.